I'm Raghu from Team Local Bills. We are an offline bill payment system. So what is the main problem with the bill payment, offline bill payment system? People waste a lot of time traveling. People get tired by the time they pay the bills. People waste lots of money on the fuel or for traveling to the district center. So we have a solution right now. We have lots of solutions right now. Everything is based on either the website, an online bill payment system, or using the mobile phones. But the main problem with the website is we have very less internet connectivity in India right now. If you take the whole statistics of Indian population, only 8.5% of the population are active internet users. That can go up to 30% in metros. And people need to have either a debit card or a credit card or even an online transfer system for making the payment. So what do we do in a different way? So we take a bill payment center to the customer rather than the customer going to the bill payment center. So how does it happen? First, so the user need to book a request for picking up the bill first. That can happen in maximum number of ways possible. The solution we have right now is you can either call up the customer care center or use our IVRS system or send an SMS to pick up the bill, use our website, or you can use our mobile application to make a request for picking up the bill. Then we'll be sending an agent to your doorstep. He will come to your doorstep, pick up the bill, check the bill, take the cash, give you a receipt. That's it. You are done with your job. So after that, what we do behind the doors is every day before the agent leaves to the customer, he'll be getting a list of people he needs to cater for that day. This list is dynamic. That can be changed anytime depending on some factors that I'll explain on the later part of time. So once he approaches the customer, it's the same thing. He checks the bill, gets the money, gives him the receipt, and then he comes. Then he needs to update all the details onto our system. He will be having a mobile device in which he'll enter the customer ID, the receipt ID, the category of the bill, the company name for which the bill belongs to, the amount. He can add new rows in the system and update it onto a server. Once he's done with this, the whole data is taken and added into the My Account section of the user. So the user can track the status of the bill transaction online. And he'll be sent a notification SMS and an email as well. Once he's done with it, once he's done collecting all the bills, he'll come back to our office and hand over everything in our office. We have a different set of sorting agents in our office who basically sort all the bills into their respective boxes. After that is done, the very next day morning, we have a different set of bill payment agents who go to the respective office and make the bill payments. And once they are done with the bill payment, they come back to our office, hand over the receipts to the same set of sorting agents to update the status of the transaction online. Once the status is updated, we send a confirmation SMS and email again to the customer. So we made a short survey on this. We went for an online survey and an offline survey. We got around 74 responses offline. We went and approached people in near BSNL office, near Bangalore One office, and near local markets. So these are the statistics we collected. Around 39 people had 2 to 3 bills being paid on offline every month. And around 18 people had 4 to 5 bills being paid on offline. And 15 people had more than 5 bills being paid offline every month. And 2 people, they don't have any bills being paid offline. And this statistics we are showing over here, 70 people make bills bill payments offline and 4 people make bill payments online. There's some problem with it, happens. And when we explained them about our system, 4 people showed high interest in the system. They wanted to go for the system right away and they were asking for a business card. And 28 people said, yes, they can use our system if it's implemented. And 8 people have some doubts about the system. And 34 people said they won't accept the system. We went for a single survey online as well, and 45 people accepted our system. 30 people said they won't use our system. So what is the cost structure like? So we have 3 different strategies for this. You can pay 25 rupees for single bill for each visit. If you have multiple bills to be paid for the single visit, we can give you a discount and take 20 rupees per bill. You can go for a monthly payment of 100 rupees and call us any number of times for any number of bills. The same thing can be extended to 1 year as well. Pay 1,000 rupees, you can hand over, you can make any number of requests for any number of bills. Our revenue generation, first one from the customer itself. We're charging a minimum amount from the customer. The second thing is we can give ads on the receipts we are handing over to the customer. The third thing is we can hand over discount coupons to the customer depending on the bill value. And the fourth thing, we can negotiate with the service providers for getting some part of the revenue as a commission. And That's it, I'm done. We don't have any demo for this.